Hello, this is Swapna from the Tech Outlook. In this video, I will explain you how to remove documents in MongoDB. Before going in detail, I will request to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and just click on this bell to get notification of new videos. We all know that there are 4 operations that can be executed in MongoDB: insert, find, update and remove. Already we have seen how to insert documents in the collection, how to retrieve data from the database, how to update the documents which is present in the collection, and here I will show you how to delete a particular document from the collection in MongoDB. So I will show you how to execute some queries in MongoDB. Already I have created one collection company, and from that collection I will show you how to delete some documents. So already I have created a company collection. You can see here I have inserted 8 to 9 documents in company collection db.company.find.pretty. So it will display all the documents that are there in company collection. So I have near about 7 to 8 documents. So I will show you one by one how to remove documents with the given condition. What is the first query? Delete the records of ID 1. So we have to delete the document which has the condition ID:1. So I have taken some fields like ID, employee name, location, phone number, likewise. So we have to delete the record of ID 1. So how to execute that query? db dot name of the collection company dot remove. Here we can't use delete keyword. Instead of that we have to use remove, and in this bracket we will use the condition. What is the condition? ID:1. Right, so this is my condition. It is nothing but delete from company where ID is equal to 1, which is there in my SQL database. So if you will see here, it is saying removed 1. So in my documents there is only one document which has the condition ID:1. So if you will see whether it is deleted or not, so we can execute this query db.company.find.pretty. So you can see here ID:1 is deleted from the company collection. There is no record with ID:1, right? So this is my first query. What is my second query? Delete the records of the employees whose location is Mumbai. So we have to delete all the employees whose location is Mumbai. So if you will see in the collection company, we have ID 5 whose location is Mumbai, ID 6 Mumbai, ID 7 location is Mumbai, and ID 2 location is Mumbai. So how will I write that query? db dot company dot remove, and then here I will use the condition. What is the condition? Location colon Mumbai. So it will say removed 4. So there are 4 documents which will satisfy the condition, that is nothing but location colon Mumbai. So whether that documents are deleted or not, that can be checked with the same query db.company.find. So here you will see we have only 2 documents 3 and 4 which are having different fields with different values. Here we don't have location colon Mumbai, right? And last one is delete the records of company collection. So the third one is nothing but delete all the records of the company collection without specifying the condition. So how will we write that condition? db.company.remove. So here we are not specifying any condition. We will write that query like that. So it will say removed 2. So recently we have deleted all the documents which will satisfy the condition, and we have only 2 documents in company collection. So it is saying removed 2. Only 2 documents are deleted. It means all documents are deleted from company collection. And if that records are deleted or not, that can be checked with the help of the same statement db.company.find.pretty. So here you will see there are no documents present in company collection. So it is saying nothing, right? So here I have explained how to delete, how to remove documents from the given collection. Instead of these two conditions, we can specify different conditions also, and accordingly we can delete, we can remove documents from the database, from the collection. I hope you must have understood my this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.